What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to get the degree symbol on iPhone. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you could see on the Notes app right there, the degree symbol. Whenever you're representing degrees, so you say like 75 degrees Fahrenheit, there's going to be the little degree symbol that's basically like a very small circle in the top right corner, right next to the numbers that symbolizes degrees instead of having to type it out every time. And this is not very common knowledge, but if you hold down the number 0 on your keyboard, you can get to the degree symbol. If you just hold it down and then just do the little swipe left like I just showed you there are two options for either the number 0 or the small little O in the top right corner that represents the degree symbol. And you can see now that my temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is represented in a very professional manner. Instead of just typing out degrees every time, you could just use the little keyboard shortcut and get the degree symbol. That's pretty much all I have for you today, though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this works and how bringing up the degree symbol works, or if you wanted some more tips on the keyboard, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you had any questions. I will be sure to answer them ASAP. Other than that, thank you for watching.